Here we're unboxing the SoundPEATS Capsule 3 Pro Plus, and as you can see, there's the box it comes in. Nice patch again from SoundPEATS, and a bit more about the product on the back there. Got to take a look and have a look at what these comes in the box here. So to start with, there's the case just there. It doesn't look really nice with the writing there at the front. Very light in the hands. Take a look a bit more what comes with it. So there's the instruction booklet that comes there in the box. It's more like a gift box, this design. Actually, it's quite nice. Can open this up. You've got the USB-C charging cable. You've got the tips there as well, and you've got the in there. Now let's take a closer look at the actual case itself. So here it is, just here now. It's very small, very light in the hand. It doesn't move much at all. Now you get 43 hours total playtime with the case and also the earbuds. The earbuds you get about 6.5 hours on the charge. And there's here your imagination, the actual writing, the front there, which is a nice little touch from the guys. Let's go and have a look and take a look at what actually comes in the case. So in the case, you've got the earbuds themselves. Now, each earbud has noise reduction in it. So it's got 45 decibels of noise cancelling, which is great, and have 6.5 hours of playtime in earbuds. They use 5.3, Bluetooth 5.3 as well, which is great. Now look at the nice design there. Don't they look nice with a nice gold overlay at the front? The earbuds themselves also have very ergonomic design, which is great, so you can see them there. They also have triple mic call noise reduction for clear communication during calls. Also like how they use LDAC mode as well, which enhances the audio quality, meaning you get more data, but it may reduce battery life. And they have ultra low latency of just 70 milliseconds, which is great for when you're doing the gameplay. Now, they have a snug fit all day. If you pop them back there in the case as well, it looks really good. Now, they've got Hi-Res audio as well as LDAC codec, which is great. Now, the noise cancelling itself also has the ambient aware function as well, which means you can actually switch the sound to be able to hear clearly when you're out and about, which is great. They also say they've got the world's smallest solid-state microspeaker in them too, which will give you some great sound quality. Be good to test that out a bit later too, but it says that it's got a 95 times harder and 4 times faster than plastic as well, the sound in them. So there's the earbuds themselves. They've got a very nice feel to them, and they're light as well. The total package is only 111 grams. The earbuds themselves must be no more than like 10 grams or so. You can charge them very quickly. They come IPX4 rated as well, which is great if you want to use them out and about. You can use the earbuds, each of them here, for touch control too. So press them to change tracks, change music, activate the adaptive noise cancelling, and they've got 6 microphones as well. So that means not only getting great noise cancellation, but you can also use the adaptive noise cancelling when you're on calls as well. So they're the earbuds there, a great pair of earbuds.